Prime it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Waving to my neighbor. So again, there's no start. I know your first thought is carburetor. I'm here to tell you that's not what it is. Notice this bail handle? You notice how far back I can move it? This cable is garbage. I found this thing on the boulevard. I got it for free. They threw it away over a $12 cable. Let's go replace that cable, and then we'll try it. So Grandpa, what tools do I need for this job? Very simple, basic tools. Regular screwdriver to pry this off. This one has a Phillips head screwdriver, that's what I'll use. We got zip ties all along the side, so we're going to use some wire cutters to cut those off. Right down here, we'll use a pair of pliers to pinch that together so we can pull it out. Let's go get it done. If I can get that screwdriver to stay in there. So I'm guessing, I could be wrong, that this isn't an OEM screw. I don't even know if it's supposed to have a screw. They might have just put it there. Pop it in there, and that end is out. Wire cutters, cut the zip ties. One there. Oh, have you checked out my store yet where you can buy some shirts, mugs, and all that? If you haven't, you should check that out. Some pretty good stuff on there. I've even got a couple of different shirts. One for grandpas, one for grandmas. That says, of course I'm awesome. I'm a grandpa. Grandma. Yours says grandma. They have lots of zip ties on here. Holy cow. Alright, so that's all the zip ties. So let's switch tools, go down by the engine and do that part. Alright, so here's where your cable comes into the engine. And it hooks it back here. So take a pair of pliers. Pinch the clips together. Take your other hand and pull it back. Sometimes it can be a little booger. Alright, some of them can go easy. Some are a booger. Ah, that's it. This one's being a booger. Got to pull that forward a little bit. Now, this has a Z-bend. Just slide it out. Just like that. Just take the Z-bend, tilt it out. Now we'll take the new cable and just do the opposite. Take the Z-bend, go from the underside, go up and tilt it in. Bring the cable down, slide your cable right through the slot, slide the casing through, and just like that, it's hooked in there. Alright, so now take the cable. We got this part here. I'm just going to line it up and just pop it on there. Now we can take the top part with the Z-bend, bring our handle up, feed it through, Feed it through just like that. So on the outside of the bar is where you're going to see that. So zip ties are on. Let me cut those off. I'll prime it and then we'll try it. Again, I found this thing on a boulevard. I put a $12 cable. That's all I've done to it so far. Let's try it. What do you think? 5 tries? There you have it. Free lawnmower, $12 part. I got it running. Now I'll change the oil, change the air filter, put a new spark plug, sharpen the blade, clean it up, and it's good to go. Till next time, take care.